Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport at Caringbah. I've got a Porsche Panamera here that I'm working on. So the actual Bose amplifier wasn't working, so we carried out some repairs for this one here. So we're going to have a look at the actual repair. All right, this is the actual Bose amplifier we got. There's the part number. Not sure if you can see it, but there's the part number there. All these repairs can be done on all car brands, including basically whatever Bose amplifier you have in your actual vehicle. Doesn't matter if it's doesn't really matter anyway. They all share the same. They're made by Bose, but different amplifier. But they have like Porsche, Audi, Volkswagen, Range Rover. Whoever's got a Bose amplifier, we can actually get it repaired. But we need to test it first before it gets repaired, before anything else. So I'm gonna put it back together, and I'm gonna actually do another video to actually show you if it's working on a car. This is just video 1.